What are you saying? What are you doing?
Cooking with candy and fish biscuits.
What are you making?
I'm making dumplings.
Need it, need it.
What me say, Kim today, me say, what's up? When last year from Kim, why you say, why from? I've heard from Kim from me. Same thing. I'm going to look where you're
Need it.
So, yes.
Lily, stop playing. Mix the dry one with the wet one.
So, Robbie, we should rub it in, but you need to call them there, so I'm going to call.
Is it going to help
No,
me?
man, I just
No, you said you wanted to do it.
You know the part where
Mix the dry one with the wet part.
In the middle of the rim? Yeah, yes, yeah.
You can do it, you're doing great.
Wait, say now, come.
Take off some of the dry one.
Okay. Yeah, no. Alright, buddy.
Do some more. That's a quick hack. Have some more, mommy.
No more of what?
Yeah, more water, please.
No, you can't put more water. As yet.
A little bit.
Not yet. You have to mix that so it's not sticky anymore. Ooh.
Thank you for the... So happy and so sticky. So happy and strong. My mom's a really good pepper.
What happened? What happened?
Nothing.
Is it ready to make the dumplings now?
Almost. It's ready.
It's ready?
Yeah, there's no dumplings.
Okay, put it in a container and let's go to the other side.
Okay. Bring my chair. Love it. Wait, guys. I have a little stump. I'll be right. No. Here, put it in the plate. Put it in there.
You put it in there.
No.
Why? Just gently drop it in there.
I can't.
Gently put it in there. Gently. Those are your dumplings, right? Roll them. Roll it. Press it. Press it. Press it. You don't need it to be round. That is. Put it in the pot now. Good. Oh, you're roasting dumpling.
Oh, I stung it.
Okay, go.
It really stung.
One more and that's it. Ooh, that's it.
Yay.
Okay, thank you for helping me.
No way. I'm definitely not. No way. I got anything, but I have more.
Why are you shouting though? Lily, you're gonna burn me.
See what I mean when I finish these pancakes. I can't.
Do it. Do it. Do it. It's too hard. You need to be gentle. Okay, say bye.
Bye. Subscribe. Like.
Share.
Share.